This 2025 Keystone Hideout Sport 178RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 17 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Keystone Hideout Sport 178RB is 3,200 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.